Today, we'll be making Cajun chicken drumsticks, a simple and delicious recipe. I've got 2.87 pounds of drumsticks here. Let's start off with the Cajun seasoning. Take a screenshot so you don't get lost. You'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme, half a teaspoon of dried basil, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of dried cilantro. Let's mix the ingredients. I'll spray my drumsticks with some oil so my Cajun seasoning sticks to them. Now, let's season these drumsticks really well. That looks great. How are your drumsticks turning out? I'll cover the drumsticks and leave them in the fridge for 15 minutes. After that, I'll preheat the oven to 400. I'll remove the drumsticks from the fridge, spray some oil into a pot, and put the drumsticks inside. Put the drumsticks in the oven for 1 hour. After that, remove them from the oven and check the temperature of the drumsticks. They need to be at 172 degrees. There we have it. Enjoy! This #CookingToTheBeat music was provided by Merge to One.